Hey, what's up? And welcome back to another episode of The Artsy Amateur. I am back outside. It is 75 degrees in November, and in Pennsylvania, that's not heard of, so we are enjoying it for sure. So today, I am doing something bananas, and it's been in my mind to try this for a few weeks now. And I figured, why not try it today? I know I'm gonna learn a lot. It could either be an epic win or an epic fail. I'm gonna post it regardless so you guys can see what happened. But look what we're working with today. Okay, so most of you know this is a muffin pan for transporting muffins after you make them. And I thought, aren't these just the cutest little trays for paint? And then I thought, what if I put paint in all of these and then almost like a multi flip cup, do them all at the same time? So there's 12 on here. We're gonna be working with 12 different cups of paint. And then in one very quick motion, I'm gonna flip it over and we're gonna see what happens, okay? I'm very excited, a little bit nervous about what's gonna happen. But we're gonna learn together and it's gonna be so fun. And again, sorry for the background noise if you do hear some. We live along a busy country road. They're probably driving by wondering, what is that girl doing outside? It's okay, I don't mind being judged. I'll take it. There's a lot of traffic right now too, because I'm assuming it's just lunchtime. So I always pick the worst times for videos outside, but that's okay. All right, so 12 different cups, and I brought out pretty much every primary color and a white and a black. So I'm not gonna pre-mix any colors. I'm just gonna let nature be what it is, okay? We're gonna pour them directly into the cup and then flip them. I use all of my paints, Master's Touch, Fine Art Studio. They're already pre-mixed pouring acrylic. And then today for the canvas, I have a 16 by 20. So this is a little bit bigger than what I'm normally working with. I normally work on 11 to 14. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge for me, just learning her, working on a little bit bigger and, you know, multicolors, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, let's start putting paint in these cups. Okay, our colors are in the muffin pan. Let me bring you down closer to take a look for a first person point of view, and then we can get to flipping. All right, here we are. Look at those beautiful colors in the pan. I got some red and white together, which is gonna make a beautiful pink. We have some yellow and blue, a nice green. I did add some black to the blue up at the top just to darken some things a little bit. I might add a little bit of black down here. I'm not quite sure yet, maybe not. I think maybe we'll just leave it as is and see how it comes out, because that black is very overpowering. And then I have some yellow and red. That's gonna make a beautiful orange, some white and yellow, and then obviously some red and blue. That's gonna make a purple lavender color. All right, let's get to flipping. All right, the most annoying thing about being outside is it's windy right now, so we're gonna do the best with what we can, okay? Hopefully no bugs or debris fly in our painting. So I'm a little bit nervous. Are you guys ready to see what this looks like? Okay. I'm gonna flip it away from me just in case it splatters. I don't wanna get anything on my clothes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! It did fly everywhere. That's okay. I actually see a lot of really cool colors on here already, and I don't think I lost too much, just a little bit of, you know, splash zone. So thankfully the camera is far back. All right, so I'm going to let this do a little tappy tap. Get all the paint out, recenter this, and let's pull it up slowly. All right, let's see what it looks like, guys. It looks very colorful and kind of random, just like we thought. So let's stretch it a little bit so we can get some of these colors out, huh? Lots of red. I added a lot of red, which is okay. It has a red theme. Not bad. I don't mind it. I'm gonna let some of the red go off the side here. Okay. My lawn is gonna look absolutely gorgeous with all of this paint on it, obviously. Okay. We're gonna bring it back and then we're gonna do this side here. We'll go over to this corner first. There we go, and then down on this one. This is so much fun. So I knew it was gonna make quite a mess, no big deal. I'm glad I'm outside and flipping not just 1 cup forward, but 12 cups forward. Hello. That's obviously gonna cause some issues. But no, we were outside. It's all in fun. This is really cool. And actually, I'm liking the colors, how this is turning out. It's definitely interesting. I'll say that. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of enticement to the edges here. Let this stuff kind of trickle down through. Give it some encouragement, if you will. Because it is not flowing anymore, and I think it's because, there we go. Right, some of the stuff stuck in the paint. There we go. Now it's flowing better. Sometimes you have to encourage the paint to flow a little bit. I don't want to get paint. I need to get the hair out of my face, but I don't want to get paint on it either. So. All right, there we go. See how it's flowing down now? All right, let's get that red off of the edge there. Perfect. Yes, I love it. All right. Let's see if we can bring it back down over this corner. This damn wind. See a slight imperfection. That out of there. Definitely. Whoa, that is sweet. I love it. I love it. It is beautiful, actually. All right, I'm gonna set it down and then go around and make sure I have all of my sides covered. Okay, I touched up the edges. I am loving this crazy color combination. There's so many primary colors, and it reminds me of like a circus or a big top or something wild. So let me grab the camera and I'll show you the wet reveal. Okay guys, here is the wet reveal. Look at these crazy colors. Again, a lot of primary colors. They actually didn't mix like I expected them to. I mean, there's some green down here at the corner, but I did expect them to mix a lot more, but definitely very primary. Again, I think it is wild, like Ringling Brothers, circus, clown. I don't know why it's giving me those vibes, but it totally is. But I do love this edge, and this side is beautiful. The black really added some dimension to it, and then it's almost like a yin and a yang. So we have black and blue down here at the bottom, and then we have white and blue up here at the top. And then we have these crazy bursts of yellow, red, and orange, and then over here some red and white. But I love this. This was so much fun. A little bit messy. Look at my grass. Crazy. But I'm so glad I did not do this inside. All right, I will see you at the dry reveal. All right, here we are at the dry reveal, and whew, that is a lot of primary colors. Again, I thought it was very circus, bright, crazy, big top. I started looking up pictures of what I could possibly call this, and I thought Jester would be a fun name because it's silly, goofy, makes you feel energetic. So I think I'm gonna go with Jester. I think this orientation looks best with this red bolt coming down through the different colors. And again, you have the black and blue on the one side, white and blue on the other, and then mixes of yellow and a little bit of green at the corner there. But it is wacky, 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 and I love it. I'm so excited to try this method again. Maybe I'll get the skill down here a little bit better and have a little less spill over, if you will, but it was a lot of fun. So looking forward to the next one. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I had a ton of fun making this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel to see more fun upcoming videos, and share with your friends if you think they would find this content to be amusing as well. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.